Subaru models have been getting really good driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, automatic braking, adaptive cruise control that would keep your car at a certain distance from any leading vehicle, etc. Sometimes drivers assume that this is almost autopilot and consider they can take their hands off the steering wheel. This can cause a loss of control over your car in any unpredictable situation on the road. So Subaru decided to remind you that you should keep control of the steering wheel at all times. When you have your cruise control and lane keeping assist activated, you will see a random warning saying keep hands on steering wheel, especially when you drive on a completely straight road. The problem is that when your Subaru doesn't get any input from you on the steering wheel, it thinks you aren't even touching the steering wheel and relying on the cruise control functions to drive your car. To avoid this, it will beep and show you this message. The problem is that this warning is pretty annoying, especially when you are driving on a straight road and it keeps beeping every now and then, distracting you from observing the road and annoying you too much. Unfortunately, there are no legal ways to turn this notification off without changing the coding of safety system, which I don't recommend at all. So Subaru doesn't have any pressure sensors on the steering wheel as many owners think. It only uses your input to the steering by watching readings of the steering angle sensor and comparing it with the cruise control computer input. One of the ways to get rid of this message is to hold the steering wheel at the 9-3 position for your hands. This way you'll be unconsciously making some small inputs now and then, but anyway, you'll have to put up with this warning popping up randomly, especially on highways. The only hope is that Subaru will code this feature better and release an update to make this warning more precise for drivers who actually take their hands off the steering wheel.